Tammy Slaton has once again taken the internet by storm, and this time, it's not because of controversy, heartbreak, or hospitalizations. The 1000 LB Sisters star shocked fans with a brand new photo that instantly went viral, showing a version of herself many never thought they'd see. Tammy, once bedridden and struggling to breathe on her own, is now being described by fans as unrecognizably tiny in the latest snap. It's a transformation that's been years in the making, and people across social media can't stop talking about it. Gone are the days when Tammy appeared exhausted by the simplest of tasks. Gone is the track tube that once sat in her neck as a harsh reminder of how close she came to death. In its place is a woman glowing with confidence, dressed casually but stylishly, standing on her own 2 feet, literally and metaphorically. Her cheeks are visibly slimmer, her body has narrowed significantly, and her facial features are more defined than ever. Fans say she looks like a totally different person, and many are calling it her most dramatic weight loss reveal yet. The viral photo, which appeared on Tammy's TikTok and quickly spread to Reddit and Instagram, has already sparked thousands of comments from shocked followers. Some questioned whether the image was edited or filtered, but those doubts were quickly shut down when another similar photo surfaced from a fan who spotted Tammy at a local Walmart in Kentucky. That in-person pic showed the same dramatic results. Tammy is, without question, shrinking away. Her family has noticed the changes too. According to sources close to the Slaton sisters, even Amy, who's been supportive but brutally honest over the years, reportedly told producers that Tammy is the smallest I've ever seen her. That statement alone carries weight, especially considering how long the Slaton family has struggled with obesity and public scrutiny. For Tammy, this moment is more than just a visual transformation. It's the result of major internal shifts. Those close to her say she's now more focused than ever, sticking to her post-surgery diet and even walking short distances daily. Friends note that she's more engaged with life, more positive, and more emotionally stable than she's been in years. While viewers of 1000 LB Sisters are used to the emotional roller coaster of Tammy's life, hospital visits, fights with family, failed relationships, this new chapter feels different. It's calmer, more stable, more hopeful. After her dramatic near-death experience in 2022 and subsequent stay in a weight loss rehab facility, many thought Tammy might fall back into old habits. But she's proven everyone wrong. Multiple times. Fans who've watched since season 1 know the long journey this has been. Tammy once weighed over 700 pounds and had become nearly immobile. She needed help with daily tasks and relied on oxygen to breathe. Doctors feared her body wouldn't hold on much longer. Even family members, including her brother Chris and sister Mishti, were openly terrified of losing her. The turning point came when Tammy finally agreed to enter a rehab center. From there, the wheels of transformation started slowly turning. After months of consistent effort, she qualified for weight loss surgery, something doctors previously said would be impossible unless she dropped significant weight. The surgery itself was a risk, but it paid off. Tammy began shedding pounds rapidly after her procedure, and soon the track was removed. Her breathing improved, her energy returned, but nothing compares to how she looks now. The latest photo sparked a wave of headlines across entertainment news outlets. Tabloids that once criticized her now praise her with phrases like inspirational and weight loss warrior. Fans say she looks half her old size and speculate she's lost more than 400 pounds in total. Of course, with any viral moment, skeptics were quick to chime in. Some claimed Tammy's clothing and angles may have contributed to the illusion of weight loss. Others suggested her slimmer look might be the result of image editing or filters. But those close to Tammy shut those rumors down quickly. One of her close friends posted a behind-the-scenes TikTok video showing Tammy in motion, walking, turning, and laughing, clearly showing her new size from all angles. No filters, no tricks, just hard work, determination, and consistency. Even Tammy herself responded to the buzz with her signature sass. In a follow-up post, she joked, "Yael said I'm disappearing, I told Yael I'm working on it." Accompanied by a laughing emoji. That sense of humor, combined with real results, has fans falling in love with her all over again. More importantly, Tammy seems to love herself now too. Her mental health journey has been just as intense as her physical one. Years of trauma, isolation, and public ridicule took a toll on her spirit. But now, there's a visible glow about her. She smiles more. She engages more with fans. She even offers words of encouragement to others battling obesity. Her new lease on life is evident not just in photos but in the way she speaks. Longtime fans say she now sounds more hopeful than ever. And that's not just anecdotal. Tammy has reportedly been attending therapy regularly, participating in support groups, and staying away from toxic relationships that once derailed her progress. Speaking of relationships, many fans are now wondering what this transformation means for Tammy's romantic future. After the heartbreaking end to her marriage with Caleb Willingham, who sadly passed away, Tammy took a long break from dating. But rumors have begun swirling recently about a mystery man spotted with her in town. Could love be on the horizon again? Tammy hasn't confirmed anything yet, but her fans are eager to see her happy in all areas of life. Whether or not she's dating, the real love story right now is between Tammy and herself. For a woman who's faced so many struggles, who's been publicly shamed, dismissed, and doubted, this moment is deeply powerful. Tammy Slaton has reclaimed her story. As fans celebrate her shrinking frame, they also celebrate her strength, her persistence, and her refusal to give up even when things looked impossible. This moment is more than a photo. It's a symbol, a victory, a message to anyone who's ever felt trapped in their body or held back by their past. Change is possible. Tammy isn't just shrinking in size, she's rising in spirit. And based on her current path, it looks like she's just getting started. With a new season of 1000 LB Sisters expected to continue chronicling her transformation, audiences can expect more jaw-dropping moments ahead. Producers are already teasing that the upcoming episodes will show never-before-seen footage of her workouts, therapy sessions, and even shopping for new clothes, something Tammy previously dreaded. One insider hinted that the season might end with a full wardrobe makeover, showing off Tammy's new style and self-image. Fans are excited, but they're also rooting for her to maintain this progress off camera. For many, Tammy's story is personal. She represents the battle so many fight in silence, the battle with self-worth, food addiction, and health issues. Seeing her now, looking so tiny in that latest photo, is more than just a transformation. It's a revolution, and Tammy Slaton is leading it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.